Hello, my dear students and my YouTube friends. Welcome back to Master English World, where English becomes easy and fun to learn. Today, we are going to learn a very important part of speech, the conjunction. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's begin. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, or sentences together. It helps us connect ideas and make our sentences smooth and meaningful. Examples of conjunctions: and, but, or, because, although, since, if, while, so, when, until, before, after. Let's understand this with simple examples. 1. Ryan and Mia are friends. Here, the word and joins two words, Ryan and Mia. So and is a conjunction. 2. I wanted to play, but it was raining. Here, but joins two sentences with opposite ideas, play and raining. So but shows contrast. 3. Do you want tea or coffee? Here, or gives us a choice between two things, tea or coffee. So or is a conjunction of choice. 4. He didn't come because he was sick. Here, because joins two ideas, not coming and being sick. It shows reason or cause. Let's revise these quickly. And adds similar ideas. But shows contrast. Or shows choice. Because shows reason. Now, conjunctions are of three main kinds. They are 1. Coordinating conjunctions, 2. Subordinating conjunctions, 3. Correlative conjunctions. Let's learn each one step by step. 1. Coordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions join words, phrases, or sentences of equal importance. The most common ones are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. You can remember them with the word FANBOYS. Examples: I was tired, but I finished my homework. He is smart and hardworking. She was late, so she missed the bus. Here, each conjunction joins two equal parts of the sentence. 2. Subordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions join a main clause and a subordinate clause. That means one idea depends on the other for complete meaning. Common subordinating conjunctions are because, although, since, when, if, unless, before, after, while. Examples: I didn't go out because it was raining. When I reached home, it was dark. You can't succeed unless you work hard. Here, one part of the sentence depends on the other for complete meaning. 3. Correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions work in pairs to join words or ideas. Common pairs are either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also, whether or. Examples: either you study or you fail. Neither John nor Peter was present. She is not only beautiful but also intelligent. In each sentence, the pair of words connects two equal ideas. Quick summary. 1. Coordinating joins equal parts. 2. Subordinating joins main and dependent clauses. 3. Correlative works in pairs.
Sir, can we use two conjunctions in one sentence?
Excellent question. Yes, we can, but only when they connect different parts correctly. Example: I didn't go to school because it was raining, and I stayed home to study. Here, because shows reason, and connects two actions. Let's try some together.
I was tired, I kept working.
But.
Correct. You can have coffee, tea.
Or.
Good. She didn't go out, she was sick.
Because.
Perfect. So today we learned that
A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, or sentences. There are three kinds. A. Coordinating. And, but, or, so. B. Subordinating. Because, when, if, although. C. Correlative. Either or, both and, not only but also. So, my dear students and my YouTube friends, that's all about conjunctions. Now you can easily connect your sentences and express ideas clearly using conjunctions. If you enjoyed this class, please give a big like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Master English World for more fun and easy grammar lessons. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, and speak English confidently. Bye-bye, everyone.